Hi everyone, it's Haley from West Central Equipment, and today we're going to be discussing the pros and cons between an R3 radial turf tire, an R3 bias turf tire, and an R4 tire. When purchasing a 2025 compact utility tractor, you now have the option to choose between one of these three tires for your tractor. With this option now being available, we wanted to discuss the differences with you so that you would know which tire will be the best fit for you and your tractor. Let's get started. This is an R3 turf tire. The main attribute of the turf bias tire is its ability to minimize turf damage due to its less aggressive tread style. It also holds well in grass conditions and provides a smoother ride when on hard surfaces, such as concrete or blacktop. One issue with it is that it tends to clump up with mud more quickly than the other tires because there is not an area in between the tread which allows for the clean out necessary to work well in muddy or swampy conditions. This is an R4 industrial tire, which is the most common tire found on our tractors currently. These tires are most commonly used in dirt environments or hard ground applications. These tires are usually made of a more wear-resistant composite that holds up well on asphalt and gravel, making it the ideal choice when you find yourself working on aggressive surfaces and also when working with a loader. These tires are designed with a steep edge that gives the tires great traction when in the dirt, but it can leave marks in the turf. The R4 industrial tires are also designed for cleaning out the dirt buildup in these tires as it drives, leaving them to have great traction all the time. Now introducing the new R3 radial tires. These tires are a cross between an R3 turf and an R4 industrial tire. These tires allow the sidewall and tread to function as two independent features of the tire. The radial tire allows the machine to transfer more power to the ground. Thanks to the flexibility and strength of this tire, the tire absorbs shocks, impacts, and bumps. With the R3 radial being a cross between the two tires, the result is a more comfortable ride and better handling. As you can see, the tire has a curved edge which will not tear up the yard as much as an R4 would, but the tread is as thick as the R4. The spacing between the treads is also similar to the R4, which allows the dirt to be cleaned out of the tires as it drives, which gives it better traction during your projects at home. This pretty much sums up the differences between the R3 turf tire, R4 industrial tire, and the new R3 radial tire. For more information, check out our website at westcentraleq.com or visit any of our 5 store locations.